Wait, your own blood can regrow hair, and even heal your knees? Sounds fake, right? But this is PRP, and it's real science. Here's how PRP works for hair loss. Doctors draw about 1 vial of your blood, just like a regular test. It's spun in a special machine that separates the golden layer, full of healing platelets. That platelet-rich plasma is injected back into your scalp, especially where your hair is thinning. These platelets release growth factors that stimulate hair follicles, waking them up and boosting blood flow. And it's not just for your head, PRP is helping millions with joint pain too. Your blood is drawn and spun, just like in the hair treatment. But this time the PRP is injected into your knee joint, using ultrasound for accuracy. It reduces inflammation and helps heal cartilage over time. No drugs, just your own biology. PRP is your body healing itself, from the inside out. From hair regrowth, to knee pain relief, to skin rejuvenation, it's all just beginning. This isn't hype, it's healing, backed by science. Follow at Decoding Life for more science that sounds